Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln(s). So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to the s over s. So this one we change for u. The s over s we change for the u. And this one we change for u to the power of negative b. About this integration, we have about u to the power of negative b plus 1 over negative b plus 1, and we put about c. About u, that's about ln(s). This is the end. Thank you for watching.